So, good day, sir. I am Marianing Nanong Angkaliano. So, for today's video, let me recite the 10 commandments of for self-drivers. So, first, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Second one, I will not pass without care on curves, nor hills, nor view is unseen by my eyes. Third one, I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limits. I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. I do not accelerate speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. I will not be careless when crossing at intersection. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. Last one, number 10, I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrians. So let us proceed to the 10 commandments of self-travelers. So first one, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Thou shalt not throw trash out on the window. Thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Thou shalt not take any chances. Thou shalt not buckle up tight kids. Thou shalt not drive on tie bright. Thou shalt not drive when one lights or faulty lights. Thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. Thou shalt keep thy distance. Last one is thou shalt practice patience. Thank you. So we proceed to the last 10 commandments for self-clearance. So first, keep right. Second one is observe road courtesy. Third is prohibited parking. Fourth is if in doubt, do not overtake. And the fifth one is the bus stop rule, which is lining up on the bus stop zone. Sixth one is rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Observe traffic management measure. The philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come, first serve vehicle. Last one, the 10th one, is remember the international driving safety reminders.